Hi, fellow Sierra this line Pekin, Rashagata, the check on the corrupt issues that made happen in the country and foresee how state looters they don't come together for loot we country. But before that, I want to make una take just a Bobby Water music.
It's Africa love entertainment. Let mix now you play the beat. Se bon api man Mizaki di ball and the mic. Lego. Solongo no go sidoya, una bise. Solongo no go sidoya. Solongo no go sidoya, una bise. Solongo no go sidoya. Angry Boku. Solongo no go sidoya. Angry Boku. Una bise. Solongo no go sidoya. Paupare no sit down now. 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 Die Boku. Paupare no sit down now. Tif Boku. Paupare no sit down now. Adopt Boku. Paupare no sit down now. Nothing no day. Paupare no sit down now. The country sorry. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na na. The one that will be a la crucify. The country sorry. Oh na 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 na. Nothing no day. Paupare no sit down now. The country sorry. Oh na 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 na. Paupare no sit down now. Paupare no sit down now. Paupare no sit down now. Die Boku. Paupare no sit down now. Tif Boku. Paupare no sit down now. Adopt Boku. Paupare no sit down now. Nothing no day. Paupare no sit down now. The country sorry.
Hello, my fellow Sierra. Hello, people of this noble country where we all call Sierra Leone. A really disheartening na this nation for see people who put in position of trust. People that we dance with, we sweat with, people where they give so much motivation and give so much hope. Now then turn up for be the looters of the state. Now then turn up for be people them way be say that they thief the money them. They then turn up for be a bunch of gangsters the way they don't come, a bunch of criminals the way they don't come for can scatter and kapu and even try for spoil the image of this country. It really disheartening for see a bunch of thieves then come together say they want rule a country. It really disheartening for see woman from another country they kind of thief una money they go to another country. It really disheartening. Now it make we they call upon Sierra Leoneans woman them make them stand up for our rights, Sierra Leone, because other countries then they take this. Today I be make me I forget I make a mistake where I say Sia Nyama. It was Finda Nyama Kroma when in one for be a first lady in other man country. They're not green. The people they rise up nationwide. They say that not go be in their country. Now some of the things and this way the people then see where them prevent. Look now, we country don't turn dirty box. Now for can't take and go make other man country. We country the first lady not all obligation or not all any sincerity to we country. We country na a second class country to one. So now for can't thief and go. And would that include the party way good panande na the SLPP. Now they always good for thief this country and go make outside. We take history from Pakaba, we take money and go make Gini. We take history from other boku other SLPP people them where they don't rule this country. They thief money and go to overseas, go bank a day, then get foreign accounts them other side them. You see. So now SLPP na them good for no get the love of this country. If we check history memorial back, SLPP na the worst kind of political party where we get. Although good people then they among them, but now them be the worst people then for produce leader for Sierra Leone. Now the worst people then for produce leaders them for Sierra Leone because now selfish, self-ambitious, self-centered bunch of racketeers then, bunch of tifi jankoluko, bunch of state looters them na dem dey produce for salon. A very disheartening, like a day wey you don cry for person all night do clean e ask you say wetin make e eye red. But all the cry wey we cry for SLPP, na so SLPP don put pepper water na we eye. Na so SLPP don dey thief this country resources. The national coffer wey dem for share that market Mayanda, that woman wey dey sell pelete leaf, that man wey dey shoot wheelbarrow, that teacher, that police, that soldier, that civil society. How we for see say Sheba wey all man get, na dem no more the bunch of thieves dem, na dem no more dey enjoy. Na dem with dem family dem no more dey enjoy. Just imagine fellow Sierra Leonean dem, una love you watch. If dem dey pay a politician 100, 200 million, they dey pay a politician $1,000. I said they dey pay a politician $10,000. They dey pay a politician. They dey pay am that kind money dem dey. Then you, wey be say you na teacher, wey you teach that politician, they dey pay you 1 million or 900,000. You wey na soldier wey dey provide security for the country, they dey pay you 1 million or 900,000. You wey be say you na police, they dey pay you small money wey e be say they able pay 10 of the soldier there. They pay 100 of the soldier there. They pay 200 people there of the soldier there. Where one politician they get, where una all they die and lavish. Then they make post the common soldier or common police work, where common teacher work, do civil service work. Say another able build a kitchen because the politicians they don't loot all the money. Then put on self-center whether you join them or you perish. That's it. They forget saying na one block then the taxation then at the country. The 50-50 loans they when they get on na in they make them they able run the country. And na in they go na the bank of Salon where they don't go make a bunch of fracatier thief man them. They don't open your account then they na for go the looters. The thing they for them foreign money cow then the thief and can go. Then they place them na for thief and go bank. I'm sorry for more especially the eastern region. The kind way then they contribute into the economy, the kind way that they contribute into the running of the state. Then them politicians then they go to one development day, now for thief the money there, now for eat the money there. The western place, the north, all the contribution then the taxpayer money, well now they make, they all them money they eat am. And then they do nothing for una. And they do nothing for the people them. The people then they die. Then they lavish. And they walk out empty bone, empty carcass. Then the people then the politician there, now then they make a tell, then they tell we say, look then full man there. Then make where people can ready, then they call people them grassroots. Because when people call it grassroots, you accept. Now it treat it like grass. They mass you. Because after you don't done with you, you contract done, you don't get nothing for do with you. And people are no more grassroots. People where they follow politicians, them they are future leaders, future politicians. And I call upon all the future politicians, them now this country, future leaders, them make we all tin up and say no to a Rakatia government, a government where can activity kapu. They don't monopolize, they don't centralize everything in the country. A government where be say them come, they don't can thief pass all the government then. They don't can the old salary pass all the president the way they do exist. The old salary pass all the people them the state parastate or the way them be done there. Parastate or the way them be done there. This a bunch of thieves them way them they. Then from where they make them go later overseas, where they say na for go and pull propaganda message then they elect today na then they will see so. All they know na for thief this country, loot this country, reap wealth, and they left we for lavish and die. Most of them this country go bad and go good, you no get nothing for do with them. Because after this power, then they go sit overseas, full there with them family there. They you trade where them they give 50,000 for begin ala for them for begin make noise na social media curse people then make this. You now your life go left miserable. They pay person 200 million, they can give 50,000 for begin curse people there. For begin talk people then they help the country for pull prove them for we see. Reality then they pull them from the bank of Salwa, then they go and take money then another account. They take money there. This go come up beyond say to that I make fry. So una give me 200, una give me $1,000. This go make today say me picking get birthday. Una give me $2,000 yonder. This go make today say I want change make a friend car. Una give me about $5,000 yonder. This go say today oh Jesus. This na the country this a Rakatia government with bunch of criminals them, bunch of PhD in criminology and theology. They don't come together for can rule this country. They tell we say the more you learn book, the more you get sense. But this then the more they learn book, the more they get high criminal in PhD in criminology. They miss it and smart. They miss it and smart too. But they don't know say now the system is well set. You do and be an self then they see you. Now make we need a politician where gets a rugged mentality, a politician where ready for can take over this country. And they talk to me people them say politics not to religion or party not to religion. It not mean say if you not support Madabi, you not to SLPP in a lie. It not mean say if you not support the thief where them people then the thief right now, you not to SLPP in a lie. You not SLPP, but you not positive SLPP. Not to all man be support Madabi for be president. A lot of decent SLPP the way me sabi, you not support this government, this president here for be president. It come in mass then, it come in waka upon the all. It make it silence the pardon. Why I tell you that one of the things the way kill Madabi from party level because he not get advisor. All the people that were there for be potential advisor there. In mass them all before in the win. In no way, in no word, nobody not be there where they talk to her, where the advisor, where they talk, where they make the no standard not be there and kill all the standard then at the party. Now the same mentality, now the same rugged and cooked and self-centered way the Depa rule this country. Miss Salon people, una love we think Salon. Love we think say if Salon better and better for we all, and if it poil, and poil for we all. If it's Salon, think tranga and tranga for we all, and then make we for tinap, Now the southeastern of them, the Kailan people then don't say SLPP no go see that angry boku ado boku the money boku because the expectation they don't water down with expectation, they don't kill with hope and aspiration. See, we not get no other nation pass Sierra Leone. Why we not forget to kill we not forget to drain we hope them. We don't butcher people there, we don't kill people there unconstitutional, we don't put people there from parliament unconstitutional, they not do. Now the butcher we economy unconstitutionally. This now una picking Basharaka. This is how the butter shattered and scattered our economy. This is how then they make job them for them girlfriend them, count them relative them go pull them in a village for can sit down pantapui. This is the SLPP. What did they do for people them? Nothing. Kailon Kenema Kono. And also not tangible development where they count. And also not where they go point and say, now we didn't have power now, this and this they don't do. From where they go lie na Kono 30 day. From where they go lie na Kenema 30 day. So what in the development where they go talk to people them? So the people there, let we be wise. The youth them, the future leaders, the future politicians will not be wise. Let us not use you for interior enjoyment. Tomorrow you can't suffer. Let us not use you for interior enjoyment. Tomorrow, where you want to pull you for leadership with the shame. No! We need a sober-minded politician, not a politician where go begin drink and state out. Then say, Abi,